Math 3, final benchmark, question 21. The table shows the student's work when solving the equation. All right, and it gives us an equation, and it says when x is not equal to 3. So that's just a stipulation on the domain. If x equals 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, divide by 0 is undefined. So this is just saying that this is a defined equation. All right, so let's look and see what it says. Which statement is true? The students made an error between. All right, so we're looking for the error. So this is given information, so we're good here. And then step 2, you take this and they're multiplying by the denominator. So they're trying to get rid of the fraction. So that is good. That's okay. And then once you do that, the denominator is going to cancel here, and it's going to leave x plus 1. And then it's going to be minus 6. Since this didn't have a denominator, you have to multiply it by that. So that is correct. And then the denominators cancel here. So in step 2, that has been done correctly as well. All right, so in step 3, they bring down the first part, and this would be distributed. And they did not distribute the negative 6 to the negative 3. So that is not correct. So for number 21, which statement is true? The students made an error between steps 2 and 3. So it's going to be answer B. So number 21, the answer is B.